The career pilot program itself is targeted towards people that know they want to do this for a living, and they're like, how do I get started? Well, I need to get my private, and then I'm gonna have to get an instrument rating and a commercial, a multi-engine, I gotta build this time. How do I go about piecing all these things together?
As someone who wanted to become a commercial pilot as a career move, Blue Line was definitely the best option, and it showed from the get-go. When I started my training, it was very organized. They had my entire path laid out for me, and I really liked that because I wasn't completely familiar with the industry.
Blue Line, your retention is going to be very high because we keep you in the air all the time. We're going to be doing ground lessons with you. A lot of flight schools don't do any ground lessons with you. The flight instructors are literally just there to build flight time. We don't look at it that way. We're going to be doing sim sessions with you in a full motion flight simulator, preparing you and saving you money.
Mechanical things are going to happen. Planes are going to break, and you need to have the availability to fix them when they do, and other aircraft to move into when fixing them takes a little bit longer.
We have full track of everything that's going on with the aircraft, and we have enough aircraft that we can rotate them through, especially with these career pilots that are coming through the program, because they have a time frame. You know, we want to get them done in around 5 months, and that's a lot of flying.
They're very well maintained, brand new planes, dream to fly. I'm really lucky as an instructor to be able to work somewhere with such nice aircraft.
I checked out the national competitor. It was very expensive. They had a huge fleet, and they were going to fly me all around the country for different parts of my training. I didn't really want to do that. And then I found Blue Line, and it seemed like this perfect middle ground of having the resources to be able to get me done quickly while taking care of me personally and actually caring about my progress throughout my training. You need to look for a school that has a reliable fleet, look for a school that has available instructors, look for a school that's in interesting airspace besides just a class golf airport out in the middle of nowhere.
You're training out of a Charlie airport, which means that you're talking to clearance, ground, tower, departure, right out the gate, getting a real world experience. It's not a mom and pop flight school or you're just doing laps in a pattern. Right from day one, you're preparing to be a commercial pilot.
We are not only invested in your success while you're here, but we want to help you end up somewhere that's going to be the best fit possible for you.
Through the connections that I made here and through the resources that they offer, they were able to hook me up with a regional airline who has already offered me a spot a year from now, and I'm only halfway to my hours. It is more than I could have ever asked for. I mean, it seemed like it fell in my lap, but that's just what they have here. The resources are there for you, and they want you to do it. They want you to succeed.